Hello everyone, welcome back to Lena's Kitchen. Today we will be making donuts, the sweet that a lot of people love. For this recipe we will need flour, confectioner sugar, melted butter, salt, in a whisker with a paddle attachment, mix all your dry ingredients first. After that, add your eggs and your butter. Whenever everything mixed well, start to add your milk little by little. At the end, you will get very soft and non-sticky dough. You have to cover your dough with saran wrap and let it proof for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your dough doubled in its size, and now it's time to cut your donuts. With a rolling pin, open your dough for about ½ inch. Don't over sprinkle your dough with the flour because it will dry it. Don't think too much about donut cutter. You can cut your donuts with a regular cup. Secure your donuts with a piece of parchment paper. That will help you to hold them after. Line up your donuts in a pan and cover them and let them proof for about 30 minutes. is second proof. They have to proof first time, and this one is second time. After 30 minutes, your donuts double volume, and now it's time to fry them. Heat your oil and deep fry your donuts. Whenever your donuts get golden color, now it's time to take them out from the oil. For these types of donuts, you have to shower them with oil to make them empty inside and fill them with jam. Decorate your donuts of your choice. I did decorate my donuts with chocolate ganache, vanilla icing sugar, strawberry icing sugar, and little jam inside. Dip your donut in chocolate ganache and shake it to remove any excess. Sprinkle some sprinkles on the top to make them more festive. Repeat the same step for all your donuts. To avoid wasting, I turned my vanilla icing sugar to strawberry icing sugar. I put strawberry extract and pink food coloring. For your jelly donuts, cut them in half like sandwich, fill them with jam, then dip them in the sugar. Hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!